knows and the artisan that they are targets of punitive taxes. I'm using the word punitive. When you start charging turnover tax to people whose income is less than 2,000 shillings a day, because they are aiming at people who are earning 1,300 for taxation. That's a person selling mandazi or chapatis on the roadside. These are very, very punitive measures, and this is something that should be resisted. And if the Kenya Kwanza government goes through with it like they have threatened, Kenyans must get ready to take action, remembering sovereignty is in their hands. And without much ado, I'll call upon my brother, His Excellency, Dr. Helonzo Musyoka, even to offer greetings. Much has been said. You are not being asked for much, just greetings.
Asante. You done it so well. I didn't want to add anything because our brother Raila put it so well, so eloquently. I think this has been actually a learning experience for a lot of us, and I want to thank our Economic Council team. Now Kenyans know the difference between zero rating and exemption, and that is where the big lie is, and I think that has been unpacked thanks to Honorable Badi and the colleagues. Last Sunday I was in a church